Now, before we talk about measurement of your sales page activity on Google Analytics, we are going to want to go back into our sales made and we're going to want to edit the goal details. Now, one of the things that you'll notice here is that we can actually set a value to being able to come to this download page. Now, in some cases, you'll have to be careful with this. It may or may not be fully accurate if, for some reason, someone comes to the page and they are actually double counted. However, what we're going to do is we're actually going to set this value at the price that we're actually going to be charging for this product. And then we're going to click Save. And this is actually going to help us to measure as we look at data. So to measure, we're going to go to the home page, and we're then going to go to the Conversions tab. When we go to the Conversions tab, we're actually going to click Goals, and then we're going to click Goal Overview. And what you'll notice is that all of the goals are being linked together. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to set this so that we can look at just the sales made. And then you'll notice that we have a set of statistics that only reflect our sales process. So the path from the sales page to the thank you page is actually going to be in this area, the goal completion location. We also have sales made, which is a raw amount. We have the dollar amount. We have the conversion rate, and then we have the number of people who abandoned the sales page before they actually made it to make a purchase. So all of this information is going to be relevant for us as we analyze what's happening with our sales page and the path to actually making a purchase. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.